actually here going to do some red peas, chicken, and pumpkin with crab soup today, guys. Kind of have up here in the mess, don't pay that no mind. So, here guys, so we're going to get that done today and get busy and serious in the kitchen today. Over here, pre-seasoned pot. That was very hot. I should have gotten a rag. Don't want to do that again. Yep, pre-seasoned pot. Getting ready to drop this pumpkin in for it to melt out and make that flavoring, guys. Stay tuned. You're making sure fishing. We are out here, guys. Now, I can't be holding this camera up at the same time while I'm doing this. So now I got this cut open. I'm going to get this in that pot as soon as possible. Big up yourself, guys. Stay tuned.
Pumpkin is ready.
Yeah. I get the chicken ready, guys. Cut them up in small chunks. I'm trying to get this in here. So we're trying to utilize all the space that we have on the countertop today, guys, because we both working at the same time. I'm dealing with the meat. I'm gonna try to get them chunked up, guys. So, this is what's up, guys. This is soup, so we're not trying to get pretty with the cuts. So it's working over the sink so I don't make a mess, guys. I'm trying to get the stuff chunked up in small chunks, drop in the soup, and we're ready to go, guys. Bang. Knives are so sharp they cut through bone. I'm scared of these knives, boys. Big up to Kesha still on the knives. I just washed the chicken up back in some vinegar and water. I'm going to drain off some of the water here in the sink. I'm trying to get the salt here. And I want to add the chicken into the pot. So what I'm basically going to do, guys, is pretty much drop these in little by little. So that chicken broth can be created along with that pumpkin. I have the peas on. We have that cooking up, guys. So what we're trying to do is get that chicken, because this is basically chicken soup from scratch, guys. I don't know how many of you have done it from scratch before, but we add the hot soup to it to make a little bit of flavor, because we pretty much do it from zero scratch. Alright, so now I have the pumpkin, guys. I'm going to add the rest of the pumpkin to this and have that melt out in there, which is going to give it that color. Alright. So we're not going to take the rest of the seasoning out here yet. We're going to add that in a little bit, but we're just going to add just the pumpkin. Chicken and pumpkin adding a bit. So we'll let that go on detour for a while until the peas is ready. And then we add the peas, we add the yam, the dumplings, and the rest of the provisions. Pick up yourself, stay tuned. Yeah, guys, we're about to knead up some flour now. Yeah, man. Look for salt and water and knead up. You see me?
Ja, pumpkin I am pretty used to.
Yeah. So that'll do it, guys. Dashboard, that cheese is getting pressurized. See, this is how you know when you're a skilled flour kneader. You won't leave back any flour in the pan after you finish. You'll have to add.
Yeah, that's
how you know you got it down pat now. You got to be a pro at it.
Quick, man. Everything you need out.
That's good. What's up?
Funky, no?
Yeah.
Yum.
Come on, Anthony, I didn't think people. See that? Yeah. Hop up. Oh, we have some crab here from the other night. So I'm gonna drop some in the soup here, guys. Get that seafood chicken flavor in there. So we're not gonna put a lot. We're just gonna drop a few pieces in there and get this thing kicked off. See how that looks already, guys? Look at that coloration from the. That's just from the pumpkin and the seasoning, and that's in there alone. I had to drop the peas back on again. It's not complete yet, so I'm waiting for that to go in here. So stay tuned, guys. We're out here, guys. Anthony Spearfishing's out here doing a whole bunch of cook-ups, enjoying ourselves and eating some good food, guys. That's what it's all about. Yeah.
That is it, no?
Yeah, man. Yes, I that look good.
Soup.
Yeah. Crab and chicken soup, people. Crab, chicken, peas, and pumpkin soup. Mad. How you call this? Yeah, guys. Anthony's here peeling the provisions. The yellow yam there, you see it? Also have some more pumpkin to go in the pot. Some more yams down here. Flour oil, that's how I need before. Let's stay tuned, guys. So we got the peas ready, guys. We're about to drop this in there. Red peas. About to drop that in the pot, guys. And that's what we've been waiting on all this time, guys. Get those all in there. And some red peas flavor up the soup. Meet a different flavor now, guys. Isn't it?
Red peas and crab and chicken and pumpkin. One Jerry.
Drop the seasoning, the rest of the season, re-season the pot up again, guys. Get the pot back again, then drop in the food provisions, guys.
Yeah, that though.
So that's what's up, guys. We have that in there. And that our re-season our pepper, scallion, onion, thyme. You see me, guys? Get that real flavor in there, guys. Amen. So stay tuned, guys. Can't wait to taste this. Yeah. Bad boy. Yeah, man. Anthony, I'll make some spinners, guys. Get them in there. Yeah, man. Drop them in the same way, guys. You see me? So, drop them right through the slide so the heat can stay in there same way, pot can't stay bubbling. Real Jamaican soup, listen to why. Yeah, man. Well, can't wait for the end result, guys. I'll definitely tell you how this thing tastes. Word. Believe it, guys. Just doing our thing today. That's what's up.
Yeah, the rain chop so just create something, you know?
Yeah, man. Let's cook up some seafood and chicken soup. You see me? Yeah, brawling.
I can't tell you about it.
Yes, guys. That's what's up.
You know?
So,
I don't want to have like that.
I'm gonna try to do a puppa flick out type pot.
Yeah, like you want to go in a bad soup.
Never want to go in a bad soup. Say, nah, dog, the money is terrible, you know, man. Yeah, guys, that's what's up.
You have on YouTube.
That is it, guys.
That is it, man.
So, look up yourself, guys. Just stay tuned. We'll bring you back in when we just adding that the food, like the pumpkin and the yams in there, guys. Yeah, I'll cut up them in a little bit. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, man. Outside. So we just put the crab, the chicken, the peas, the dumplings in, re-seasoned back with scallions, onion, thyme, pepper, garlic, and then now we are adding the ground provisions next. See? Stay tuned, guys. People, so yeah, that one when I told myself some of that soup here right now, you know, people, because it just sell off right now. Look, you see that thickness, people? Blood.
More pumpkin and going there.
More pumpkin are going there, people. You see that thickness?
Yeah, so to sense your spice, the one, still not to carry them.
Look at that. Hey guys, definitely out here, guys. Crab and chicken soup
Pumpkin.
and red peas.
Why?
Well, chang up, you know? Chang back this. Yeah. So, ladies, can holler at the number. Don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Sort out that thing there. That's it. Yeah. So, that's what's up. Making sure fishing.
A chef thing I do.
Yeah, a chef thing I do. But a seafood thing still, you know? Yeah. So,
Rooster noodle, you know?
yes. Spicy rooster noodle.
They spell wrong.
They spelled that wrong, but I would give y'all a joke about that. That was really funny. But I don't think I could say that on YouTube. I don't know. No, it was this kid that was in a gift shop, and he seen one of those, and he looked at the lady at the gift shop. He was really serious, bro. He said, "Miss, how come they make this in cock soup, but they don't make it in pum pum soup?" Ah, man, bro, I fell out. I cried, bro. I cried. I cried. Yeah, he was really serious, man. Yeah. So, yo, the lady, the whole entire gift shop cracked up, bro. That was hilarious. That's the best one I ever heard, man. Oh, can they make this and this and then I make it in that thing? My gosh. Wow, go on. So, I wonder if you never get in a pack where you not do it. Think of yourself, YouTube. We are out here, guys. So, little joking around while we're making this video. Seriously, but look at that soup, guys. Crab and chicken soup.
With the coconut active right, come on.
Yes, man, coconut active night, bad man. Look, boy, and the peas them. Taste, I've got to taste this now, no?
This way I've done this whole soup.
Yeah, I don't know what soup. Yeah. Alright, go wait till it's done. We're not taste nothing. Alright, guys, stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here with Anthony Spearfishing, guys, doing some mad cook up.
Mad, really?
Yeah. Beanie pot just steamed up the camera. Yeah, man. Look how rich that soup is, guys.
Soapy.
Yeah, man, rich up, guys. Look at that.
Good evening, man.
Oh, wow. Wait till you eat this, guys. That's what's up. Crab and chicken soup, guys, with red peas and pumpkin. Some yams and dumplings, guys.
You like good this better?
Yeah, man. That's what's up. Look at that. Wait, I'll wait and share up the food, yeah, man. Chop.
Hey. Don't have a full of juniors.
Any belch in you have today, I belch out everything. Yeah, guys, so this is what's up, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to share some food. I can't hold this camera and share our food at the same time. But we'll share some of my food, guys. Give me a minute there, yeah?
Believe. That's easy.
Grab some of this for my neighbor downstairs. So what I want to do is get some of this flour in here, guys, for her. Get some yams and some crabs. Yeah, guys. And try to get down to the lower section of the soup, guys, and see if I can get some of that chicken and pumpkin out. See, there goes some of the chicken right there, guys. I got some chicken. And get that in there with some of that pumpkin, guys. Another piece more chicken right there, guys. Let's get that in there for her. Maybe another flour. We already got yams in there, guys. Let's get some soup in here for her. Look at that thickness, guys. This is what's up. Yeah, man. Hit that, guys. Look at that rich bowl of soup, guys. Get this next one here. Some chicken. Let's get some more crabs in here, guys. Some flour. Yeah, this thing's getting kind of hot in my hand here, bro. Let's get him some soup. That's out of my way, guys. So I'm gonna share some food for Laurie, but here, my love.
That is it, man.
What is it?
Come on, Larry. Let's carry one first.
Yeah, we'll put that down. Come back for this.
Yeah, that is it, man. So people, they drink after water with a soup, you know. That's a share people first.
Yeah, so I'm Anthony, pot left.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure everybody share out first, guys.
Yeah, they don't say pot done.
Pot done. Anthony, I'll grab a big bowl. I'll probably go use one of them big white bowl and
Yeah.
in that one corner. You see it, people? So, that is it.
That is it, man. You're outside. Hey, take time. How is it?
Oh, it's hot. I didn't know you guys put some pepper in it.
It's not that much pepper. The crab add other pepper in it and you eat the crab. So you can eat this. So it's the same amount. You can enjoy it.
I can taste it.
Hey guys, so getting some soup for myself here, guys. Get some of this in my system, guys, because I've been waiting for this for a long time. All that red peas, look at this. I'm trying to get that good. Ooh, that piece of pepper just landed. Yeah, good. That should be good, bro.
Yeah.
I want that in there. I want that pepper in there, bro. I want some more dumplings up in here. All right, Anthony. I'm gonna get some more soup on this. And let me get this out of the way. Oops, just made a mess. I'll get the crab on a separate plate because that's gonna take some.
So yeah, some space. That is it, man.
Yeah.
The people, that's when Jay finish share, I do. Just stick to the pot and put it on corner, you know, and go sit down.
Yeah, guys. So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna grab some crab and put it on the plate separately. There's lots of crab still left in here, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a half for Anthony and stuff like that. So I'm good with this, guys. Had enough crab last night, but we're gonna mess this up.
That is it.
All right.
Well,
Let me get a taste of this thing and taste how this thing tastes. 'Cause I haven't tasted it yet.
since the rooster don't go in.
Yo, sell off.
Different vibe.
That roadside go start sell a cup of that.
No,
Yeah, guys.
That is it.
This is what's up. Crab, pumpkin, and red pea soup. This is off the chain, guys.
Yeah.
That
is it, man.
Oh god, that pumpkin is just soft. Okay. The chicken is just so soft, guys. I can't wait to taste the crab. Definitely, guys. This thing is so good. Yo, I gotta go be civilized and sit at the table.
Yeah. So, cameras are ready and waiting. That is it. So, I know you can't move. Do it, but they can move.
Solid.
Yeah.
My hands, it's not even shaking in the bowl how solid it is.
Yeah. That is it, man. You leave.
That's what's up, guys. Guys, pumpkin, red peas, and crab soup and chicken.
Yeah.
This is crazy. That pepper in it is kicking. I'm loving this. This is what's up. We are out here, guys. Big up yourself.
Yeah. Them one last one people. Share some food down there. Them yeah. What? Unite. Man. Bring there, it's some dumpling now.
Solid now, guys.
Go up with these now, man. nice, no. Them pizza and thing I like too.
Mm-hmm.
It is, bro. Thing guy. So I want it.
Mm-hmm, guys. Look at that.
Pizza and bacon, not these people. People, say what I soup? Don't you so? Oh, yeah, best part.
Mm-hmm.
Damn thing you need, man. Damn thing, yeah. You need, man.
Guys.
Get some food and open it. Like that, see, yeah. Get some food.
Real rich in protein, guys.
Yeah. No fish to the people, you know? No
Except
fish.
crabs.
Yeah, some crab, some chicken today.
Mm-hmm.
Everything there. One more big bowl of soup, no rice. Soup.
Yeah.
That's it, man.
Crazy rain today, guys, so I don't know. Those kind of
something new.
something new, guys.
It's a bad situation. And turn to something good.
Yes, guys, so I'm on Sita, guys.
That is it, man, you know?
Mm-hmm. So, anyways, guys, we're gonna enjoy up our dinner, guys. Big up yourself, guys. And
Yeah.
Anthony's gonna get a little taste of this and see how he likes it right now once we put that spicy soup in it.
Yeah, roast and all about this.
Yes. So, get the taste test, my boss.
Bad, man.
Mm-hmm.
I know it bad. Yo. So you just taste it.
Mm-hmm.
You don't taste it good, you know? So get the after taste.
Yeah. Pepper.
Everything is you want.
Teacup, coconut, everything.
Everything, bro.
Yeah, man.
Why people? You know that?
Yeah, badness, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So yes, people, so we're gonna enjoy up the meal now, guys, so stay tuned, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, guys. Drop that comment below and tell us what you think about our chicken, crab, red peas, and pumpkin soup.
People have tried, man. Believe, man.
Yeah, man. Outside.
The outside.